Chat. Thank you po sa pagtanggap niyo sa akin dito sa Area 118. Mag-iingat po kayo palagi, Ma'am Chat. At maraming salamat po sa pagiging nanay niyo sa akin. Thank you, Ma'am Chat.
Hi, Ma'am Chat. Happy retirement po. I wish po na mas mahaba po yung life niyo po para ma-enjoy niyo po yung retirement niyo. Good health po, and we will miss you, ma'am, lalo na po yung mga sermon niyo po sa amin. Mamimiss po namin yun. And ayun po, sana ma'am, pag makapunta kami ng Davao, pa-stay kami sa inyo, sa mansion mo, ma'am. Yun lang, ma'am. God bless po sa journey mo po after ng retirement. Thank you, ma'am.
Hi, Ma'am Chat. Maraming salamat po sa lahat. Happy retirement day po. God bless and more blessings to come. Thank you.
Hi, Ma'am Chat, from the DPs of CLH Rojas, Palawan po. We thank you po sa lahat ng naitulong niyo po sa growth namin dito sa organization. Salamat po sa lahat ng learnings and salamat po sa lahat ng support na ibinigay niyo po sa amin.
Good luck and God bless na lang po, ma'am, sa next journey po ng buhay ninyo, and advance Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!
Hello, Ma'am Chat. Good week po. Yun sana gusto namin yung mga mensahe lang yun. Ito po mensahe ko, ma'am, sa para sa inyo. Ingat po sa biyahe, and sana din makalimutan yung mga BP dito sa Area 118, dito sa Palawan, ma'am, and sana po nag-enjoy ka dito sa Palawan na ilang years. Then, ma'am, thank you sa papansit mo, sa talaga magluto, ma'am. Mamimiss ko yun, ma'am. And, ma'am, God bless po, and sana gusto makita pa tayo, ma'am. And, goodbye po.
Hi, Ma'am Chat. We would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to you through our short video message.
Ma'am Chat, you've been an important part of the team of Area 118. You're such an incredible leader and mentor to us. Thank you so much for your unwavering support and encouragement. Your leadership has been truly inspiring. We will never forget all the learnings and experience you've taught us. Wishing you success and begin a new chapter of your life. We're going to miss you, Ma'am. Thank you.
Your family from Daily Studio.
Hello, Ma'am Chat! Hello, Ma'am Chat! Thank you po for everything. Thank you po sa pagtiwala, advices, and learnings. I'm praying for your good health, Ma'am Chat, and enjoy every moment na ibinigay po sa inyo ni Lord. We love you, Ma'am Chat. We will miss you po.
Hi, Ma'am Chat! Happy for you, ma'am. Kasi magkakaroon ka na ng mas maraming time sa sarili mo and then sa family mo. Daghang salamat sa tanan, ma'am. Ayo po.
Hi, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, sa pagiging part ng journey ko dito sa Cebuana, ma'am. Maraming salamat, ma'am, sa mga lessons, ma'am, and advices, ma'am, na ibinahagi ko sa amin, ma'am. And God bless, ma'am, sa another journey in your life, ma'am. We will miss you, ma'am, and we love you, ma'am.
Happy retirement!
Half the world is sleeping, half the world's awake, half can hear their hearts beat, half just hear them break. I am but a traveler, been most everywhere. Ask me what you want.
Hi, Ma'am Chat! So, hindi mo talaga pinaparamdam na magla-last day ka na in the coming weeks. And, you're just counting to the last days of being employed dito sa Cebuana. And gusto ko lang malaman mo na happy ako na at mabibilang ko ang aking sarili sa isa sa pinaka masaswerte ng aming henerasyon na nakatrabaho ko ang isang bansa kasi iba. So today, last day mo na sa company, gusto kong batiin ka ng happy retirement day, and tinetreasure ko yung mga moments natin. Ako personally, nung napunta ako ng Palawan, marami tayong memories na napagsamahan. And madami din akong natutunan sa iyo, Ma'am. And sana, bago ka umuwi sa inyo, mag-coffee muna tayo. Magtsikahan muna tayo. So, again, happy retirement day to you, Ma'am Chat. And wish you good health kahit hindi mo birthday. Since alam ko na wala ka lang gagawin after this or baka mag-focus ka na lang sa business mo, i-prioritize mo pa din yung health mo and more blessings to come. See you around, Ma'am Chat.
Ito na talaga yung last month mo here in Cebuana, especially dyan sa Palawan. So before it ends, gusto ko lang sana mag-thank you sa'yo for being part of my journey as an actor. Thank you na inaid mo ako kung ano yung dapat kong gawin. And sana magkaroon na tayo ng time na magkita kahit wala ka na dito sa Cebuana de Villar. Ikaw yung kilala ko na isa sa mga area head na kumbaga sa pag-ibig is unconditional love talaga. Paano mo ginagawa yung trabaho mo, hanga-hanga ako sa'yo. Sa lahat ng ginagawa mo, hindi ka nag-e-expect ng kahit na anong kapalit. So, as in, super believe na believe talaga ako sa'yo. Wala akong masabi. So, thank you, ma'am. And sana,
Hi, Ma'am Chat! Welcome to my vlog. Ay, esta hindi pala to vlog. Totoo ba? Totoo ba, Ma'am Chat? Retired ka na? Wala ka ba naman 60? Tignan mo yung tsura mo. Wala ka ba naman 60? Para ka nga sweet 16 eh. Nagdadalaga. Well, di nga. Sigurado ka na ba talaga? Ayaw mo na talaga magpa-extend? Extend ka ulit ng another 5 years. Kayang-kaya mo pa naman eh. Still kicking ka pa rin eh. Kung makapagbiyahe ka nga eh. From north to south, diba? Baliwala lang. Alam mo, mamimiss mo dyan sa Palawan? Mamimiss mo si Josie noon. Si Josie noon na very, smiling boy. Si Josie noon na walang kaimik-imik. Diba? Sino pa? Yung lagi mong saksakin kita dyan? Si Justin na walang kamali-malay. Sino pa? Si Tintian. Yung iyong only ka-iha dyan. Hindi naman, marami ka namang iha dyan. Joke lang yun. Ito talaga. Yung nag-iisang sumusunod sa yapak mo, yung nag-idolize talaga sa'yo, si Althea. Pero sana naman, makatagpo na rin ng forever. Alam ko, hindi lang kita mami. Kundi, parang, you treat me as your sister, kapamilya, diba? Parang Thank you for all the positive impact that you've made throughout your career. Your legacy will continue. Everyone will miss you and I will surely miss you. God bless, Ma'am Chat. I love you and I miss you.
Hello, Ma'am Chat. Finally, Ma'am, ito na yung moment na hinihintay mo. This is it, Ma'am. Goodbye, tension. Hello, pension. Yes. May enjoy mo naman yung mga discounts, no? Kaya naman sa Costa Palawan, baka naman bigyan nyo ng 20% discount si Ma'am Chat. Yes. Anyway, Ma'am, good luck sa bagong chapter ng buhay mo. And please take good care of yourself. Stay healthy. And hopefully, sana mahanap mo na yung Mr. Right ng buhay mo. Happy retirement, Ma'am, and God bless you always. Bye-bye.
Hi, Ma'am Chat. Congratulations and happy retirement po. Finally, Ma'am, wala ka na talagang MTAs and deviations. Lagi mong biro sa akin na walang tulugan. Deserve mo po lahat, Ma'am, ang blessings na meron ka. Happy retirement ulit.
Hi, Chat. Good evening. I'd just like to give you this farewell message, but definitely we'll be seeing each other, though this will be our last Christmas party here in Area 118, but definitely makikita pa rin tayo. I would like to give you my sincere gratitude and appreciation for all your hard work and commitment and dedication to Area 118 and to the company Cebuana Luilier. No? You have evolved Area 118 from an area that is attached dati sa Area 110, but now no, you as handling it as a standalone area. You have proven that Area 118 can be a significant contributor to the entire region, and for that, thank you very much. You have handled Area 118 with all your might, of course with all your knowledge, skills, and of course your motherly, strict motherly care to your team. Maraming salamat sa mga taon na yon at pagkakataon na tayo ay naging magkatrabaho. Maraming salamat, and I hope you enjoy your entire years of retirement. I hope that you find happiness and fulfillment, no, of all your other aspirations and dreams. Keep in touch, and I will see you soon. And maraming salamat sa'yo. At naway bigyan ka pa ng mas mahabang buhay nang sa ganun ay matupad mo pa ang lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay. Again, maraming salamat, chat. See you around. Bye!